Hi, I'm Vinz, and this is my first time in Stockholm. I didn't really know what to expect coming here, but I think the first thing that surprised me was just how calm everything felt. Especially for a capital city, nobody really seemed to be in a rush. People were just outside, walking, biking, lying in the grass. And I don't know, there's something about seeing everyone just enjoying the day that makes you want to slow down too. So that's pretty much what I did. I walked. A lot. I'd have somewhere I wanted to go, but most of the time I'd end up getting distracted by something along the way. And honestly, that's probably the best way to see Stockholm. This is when Stockholm started feeling a little more like a capital. More people, trams going past, everyone moving around, but somehow it still never felt chaotic. And the other thing about Stockholm is you're never really that far from the water. You turn a corner, cross a bridge, and suddenly the whole city opens up again. This was one of those days where I wasn't really trying to do too much. I was just walking around and seeing where the city took me, and I think Stockholm is kind of perfect for that. Eventually, I ended up at the Royal Palace, and this is usually the part where I'm supposed to tell you some historical fact. But it's my first day. I'm still figuring out where I am half the time, so for now, I'm just taking it all in. From there, I made my way into Gamla stan, Stockholm's old town, and I think this was when Stockholm started looking exactly like the version I had imagined in my head. Old buildings, narrow streets, little cafes tucked into corners. You can just pick a street and start walking without really knowing where it's going to take you, which is exactly what I did. And yeah, you get lost a little, but that's kind of the fun part. Eventually, I found myself back by the water, and instead of immediately going somewhere else, I just sat there for a while. No plans, nothing I needed to see, just watching the boats go by and taking in the fact that I'm actually in Stockholm. I think that's something I want to do more on this trip, not feel like I have to see everything just because I'm somewhere new. Sometimes it's nice to just be there. But I think my favorite thing about Stockholm wasn't really any of the places I visited. It was seeing how people actually live here. As soon as the sun comes out, everyone is outside. Parks are full. People are swimming, having drinks, meeting friends, and nobody seems to be in much of a hurry to leave. And maybe that's what I'll remember most about Stockholm. Not one landmark, not one specific moment, just how easy everything felt. I walked a lot, I got lost a few times. I sat around doing absolutely nothing, and somehow, those ended up being some of my favorite parts of the trip. I think some cities make you want to see everything. Stockholm just made me want to stay a little longer.